to make homemade coconut cream. I am using one fully mature dry coconut cut into pieces. Blend coconut into a blender or food processor with a small amount of water. Comment turned off because of haters. This is what the texture should look like. No more water should be added. If too much water is used, the coconut cream will turn into ice. Strain the coconut milk, then pour into a glass. Put glass in the freezer for 4 hours or leave it on the countertop for 4 hours to allow the coconut milk to separate from the water. I put the coconut milk on the kitchen countertop for 4 hours. This is homemade coconut cream.